What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Grand Marquis Doctor's channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the digital dash message sensor in your Grand Marquis. So let's get to it. The electric message sensor only works when the ignition is in the on position. The message sensor allows you to see when a door or the trunk is open, tells you when you're low on washer fluid, and if the air suspension is off. It shows you when overdrive has been deactivated. The reset control resets the average miles per gallon, trip A or B, and average speed. The EM control switches the instrumental cluster display from miles to kilometers or vice versa. The select controls lets you switch different functions from left and right. Distance to empty. This function estimates approximately how far you can drive with the fuel remaining in your tank. Average fuel economy. This function displays the average fuel economy in liters or miles. Trip A and Trip B allows you to see how far you have traveled since your last reset. Average speed. Guess what that one does? Yeah, it displays your average speed in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Alright, you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select that like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.